Yo, Lady Passion, I heard you got some of them metaphors. Can you spit something on the camera for me?
Yeah. Off top chicks going back down cause they know passion about business. And I don't give a damn about how you feel, heartless. Fuck your feelings. I get in the zone, these chicks gon' spread out or get folded. Linen. And when I spit, KO, call me the champ. Winning. Cute face, ugly flow, bittersweet, lemon. I'm jiggy at my shows, grown woman shit, trending, screaming free Black Sea, but that other pussy, get 'em. Crib, whip, kids straight, MTV, living. I hits the scene, stun hard, whip clean, bending. I'm bout my money, want it all, pennies, dollars, millions. I stands out. These other chicks, they camouflage, blending. I give 'em something to talk about and make 'em take it back, lending. Steel mill, the way I weld these bars together, mending. Roller coaster flows of how you nauseous, spinning. I tells it how it is, but these other chicks, gimmicks. Passion, rep, no tame, and entertainment. Finished.